Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the difference between a gene and an allele. So basically gene is a part of a DNA. Gene is a part of a DNA, and DNA is this double helical molecule, and you may know that DNA is also the genetic material of our body or the cell, and the gene is basically a part of a DNA which can be transcribed into an mRNA and then in a protein. And all of this happens with the process of transcription and translation. So this is basically a gene, which is a part of a DNA. But when we talk about an allele is just a variation of a gene. A gene is responsible for a variety of things in a human body, like skin color or blood group. So we can understand the difference between a gene and allele by taking the example of the blood group system in our body. So let's say we take the O blood group. Now the O blood group is because let's assume that the O blood group is because of the O gene, and this O gene codes for this O blood group. But now when we talk about an allele, the allele is just the variation of a gene. So the allele in this case will be just the variation of this O gene, which will code for this same gene. So allele are always in pairs. Please remember that alleles are always in pairs, and this allele just codes for the same gene of which the allele are from. So the O gene will have an allele IOIO. So this pair of allele will represent this same gene which will code for the O blood group, or which is responsible for the O blood group. And we must know that a gene can have many pair of alleles. So in this case, the O blood group case, the alleles are only this because these alleles are recessive in type. So there are two types of alleles, recessive and dominant. So if we take another blood group, A blood group for example. So to code for A blood group, now the dominant alleles would be IA, or at another set of alleles can be IA. Because IO is a recessive allele, so this will not affect the dominant allele. So these two pairs of allele will code for the same blood group or the A blood group. And this pair will be known as a homozygous allele, and this pair will be known as a heterozygous allele. And this both pair of alleles will code for the same blood group or the A blood group, and this gene can be known as a gene. So these are the basic difference between a gene and an allele. I hope you have understood the difference. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section.